Hello friends, today I will show you how to create bar chart in Excel, and I will be explaining with you in a very short duration with an example which I have created in Excel. So here is the name and here is the marks. So I want to create a bar chart. So what I will do, I will select this table, then I will go to insert, and then I will click on this one, chart. Okay, then 2D column chart, then I will be selecting the first one. Okay, so you can see that the bar chart is prepared. Now if I want to see, like for Jacob, what is the mark, so I have to populate the data labels. So just select this item, right click, and then add data label, then you will be able to see the data label. So if I am to do for all these bars, I'll select everyone, and then I will be adding the data labels. So okay, select all the bars, right click, add data labels. So you can see for every bar these amounts are shown, means the marks are shown for Jacob, for Ratan, for Manu, and for Tina. So now if you want to give it a different style, that also you can give. So here is a chart design tab. You can go and you can select any template you want. So this is the first template, the second is the third, this is the fourth, the fifth. So any template you can select. So this is how we prepare a simple bar chart. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.